Oh. 4 points.
Oh. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna hang left.
Something tells me if someone's icon is pink, it doesn't mean they're a team killer, because on the map it's showing 2 pinks. Allied destroyer, allied battleship.
I have no idea what that means.
Does that mean they're platooned, maybe?
No, because
what does it mean?
No, what does it mean? I think it's either, like, moderators or, in fact, team killers. I don't know.
What's that?
Someone will probably fucking tell us.
Action station.
Also, I like that you can compliment people in this game. It's not just complain.
Yeah, there you go. They're scrubs.
Ten games, holy fuck.
What?
Apparently it carries over for 10 games.
Well,
if this man is to be believed. Mr. Captain Wadster.
If the man knows what man knows what he speaks, and if he speaks the truth.
Look at that name.
That
sounds
like
French to me. Checks out.
Sounds like my speech most of the time.
Wonder how long till I'm pink. Those baguettes, they gotta be toasted.
Ram those boats, you know, rub yourself pink.
Jesus. Color changing ship.
Just add hot water.
I'm assuming you're slower when you're turning because I'm catching up to you.
Yes, and also, we're probably gonna run into a lot of destroyers in front of us. So I'm gonna just send a scout plane out. Oh, a cruiser.
Spotter airborne.
Watch me not fucking hit him.
Watch me not fucking hit him. Oh, no, way behind. Way behind.
Oh, yeah, not far enough. Wait a minute. Oh, wait, no, yeah. No.
Jesus.
Okay, the Koenig is coming to fight us. We're also going to have... Oh, it's the Cleveland. Oh.
Yes! I got an incapacitation. Oh god, hi Goon. Hi Goon. Little kiss.
Damn it!
I'm still not used to the whole still moving thing. Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Dynamic gameplay! Oh, this is gonna be quite fun. Shoot the Cleveland!
You got it. I'm just gonna sit right fuck here.
Because he's gonna be a problem also to fires. No, 2 fires. No. 1 is okay. 2, no. All the things hitting my deck.
Oh, I hit the island. I'm the best.
Oh, they have Gavini. Can I hit Gavini? I think I can hit Gavini. I think yes. Oh! Get out of here, overpowered premium shit. I own one of those.
Finer than the finest wine. Oh.
The ship is on fire.
Okay, so we have 1 destroyer kill and everything on the enemy team shooting
Come on,
us.
babe. Come on, babe. Whoa, way too far ahead. He's not moving very fast.
Cleveland?
The Conan. I can't hit the Cleveland, the island. Actually, now I can.
Thanks, AP shells. That would have been a Citadel hit, but no, you had to fall fucking short, fucking parallax. Everything is shooting me ablaze.
Oh, I got a fire.
I will kill Cleveland. Oh, you will kill Cleveland. The Cleveland is dead. I think the Koenig's actually stopped. He's backing up, though. Hey, 8,000 damage. Not bad. Yeah, the Koenig gets stopped. There's no smoke coming out of the top of this.
Yep.
You just shoot at it. I'm gonna back up, though, because that
Yeah, full
Nuremberg...
reverse.
That fucking Nuremberg, though. Remember, it's not retreating. It's a fighting withdrawal.
Whatever helps you sleep at night. I'd like to back up now. Ooh, that's gonna be a good hit. I got one fire.
Ow, 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 ow. That Warspite, though.
Oh, I need to turn. Oh, I need to turn.
Okay, he's turning away. Warspite. Those are way too fucking far forward because he's taking his sweet-ass time, sitting there sipping his fucking tea with his fucking crumpets and his fucking terrible English voice acting. Oh, wait, wrong game.
Oof. Hey, I got a fire! Setting everybody on fire today.
Welcome to the dunk. You don't even have the fire flags. Ow. I'm gonna die, though. Fucking shells just going all over the goddamn place.
Come on, baby. Ooh. Good hit.
Good
Another
hits.
fire.
We can actually pin him with HE at this distance, I believe. Or AP. I need the heals. That's way too far. I'm not shooting far enough. What am I doing?
Oh shit, he's turning too fast. Those aren't gonna hit.
Ow!
I might get one hit.
Well, I wanted my health back, but I guess not.
Two hit. No, one hit.
The cruisers are shooting at us now.
Oh no.
The Russian one is sitting still.
Team has taken the lead.
But we're gonna back out of it. Well, he's backing up. Okay. The Koenig is coming back at us, though. And we're still winning? Question mark? Yes.
That
actually.
Warspite though, he's fucking dead on.
Yeah, he's got us ranged. That's gonna be a problem.
Oh, he might get out of range. Don't outrun the show!
I'm still got it.
Oh, one hit.
9 seconds. So that's about there.
I'm gonna stop.
Those are probably on. Hey, one hit for 970.
That spread though.
Welcome to Dunk. You're gonna be saying that a lot. Unfortunately, at long range, the spread can be the spread in between shells is about the size of a ship. That's a good spread, though. Those might be a little bit too short, though. Oh,
baby.
hits.
Oh baby. Oh wow. Only one hit. Fell one over.
Looks like the Warspite fucked off. The fucking cruisers are coming back at us, though, so we're gonna have to worry about them in a couple seconds. I will load AP for my next salvo.
Spotter airborne.
And of course, he is shooting me. Ow. Ow.
Everything went over.
I got one fire, though. The back of his boat. He's on fire. The Warspite's coming back. He's dangerous. We might want to take him out first.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Did Did I just pen him with AP?
You
Oh
might.
my
have.
god.
Also hit the Warspite with one shell. How much damage did you do?
Like 7,000.
That might have been a bunch of really good shells actually hitting him, because they do stack up.
Our victory is in sight.
I have done fuck all this game, though. He's gonna ram the mountain.
Nice.
Splish splash. Having a
Our
bad.
victory is in sight.
Alright, now the Warspite. Just, go put down all 3 anchors, having a leisurely stroll. Just, Captain Sunbathing on the deck. Warspite, where the fuck are you? Oh, there he is. He is opening fire on you.
Splash, splash.
3,000 damage. So how much damage have you done this game?
43,000.
Only 30. We didn't do much, but we kept them busy.
I got a fire. On him,
I
soon,
sees him. I sees him by fire. I'm probably not gonna hit him, though. Hey, I did it because he stopped. Dumbass. But then again, we stopped right here. We're going to out broadside you. He's still there. Okay.
You see, in France, the broadside is actually the front side.
That's spread, though.
Please don't tell me he's gonna ram the fucking mountain.
No, he's gonna probably hide behind it, though. But if he keeps going that direction, he's probably... You know, he's turning.
Oh, he's turning.
Okay. Alright. We actually have to try before we... We might actually kill him before this game ends. Stop.
Never say never.
I'm gonna load AP just in case.
Got another fire.
He's stopped dead in the water. Hopefully, this shot actually kills him. Oh, he's moving. Oh, well, there went all his health. That might actually kill him. Uh-huh.
Oh,
No.
no.
Welcome to AP. You might get him, or you might not. That's your fire, right?
I believe so.
Good. Oh, you just put it out. Oh, well. How unfortunate. That next salvo I hear coming out of my ears will probably kill him, though.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Artillery practice in Dunkirk. Hey, I got Dreadnought! Yay!
Yeah.
Receive damage exceeding 120% of your ship's normal HP from 4 or more enemies and survive the battle.
Got
Dunkirk.
2 ship destroys. 57,000 damage, not bad.
Yeah, you did a lot more than me, but I took most of it. Shots, I took 60...
Wow, Goon, you're all the way down there. What happened?
What happened was I got shot repeatedly and all of my shots missed. And
I did 25 damage to you.
I did 25 damage to you! No!
Oh.
Yeah,
Permanently pink now.
actually, yeah, I didn't get any fire, or I got 1 fire that game. Most of my shells didn't actually start fires. That's unfortunate. Oh well. That's a good games. So you about done now, Cybrid?
Yeah, I gotta go get ready for work.
Alright, we had fun.
Normie, wage slave.
Yeah. You know, I'm on the YouTube path of glory. I'll let you know when it actually pays out, you know.
Yeah. Let me know when you find the start to that road.
Yeah, right. I'm kind of bumping around in the dark.
That was
Well-
good though. I like this. We'll have to do this more.
Yeah. I get oops on this. Buy him a Dunkirk before the 5th.
Yeah.
Alright. Well,
Wait, is it in the shop for limited time?
yeah, it's only to September 5th.
Oh wow.
Grab deal, yo! But that'll be the end of it for us. Thank you all for joining us. I hope you had as
Thanks.
much fun as we did.
Fun.
Yeah, fun. Yeah, we're having fun, ironically, in a bad boat.
Fun is a buzzword.
It is a buzzword.